Welcome to our Facebook page, YouTube, and TikTok channel. Today we will know about 100 mind-blowing facts about the universe you will not believe exist. If you are agreed to know the facts of the universe, please stay with us for the last moment. This will help you to enrich your ideas and outlook regarding universe. 1. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Scientists estimate the age of the universe using measurements of cosmic background radiation and the expansion rate, Hubble constant. 2. Most of the universe is invisible. About 68% is dark energy, 27% is dark matter, and only 5% is ordinary matter, stars, planets, you and me. 3. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. There are estimated to be about 1 septillion, stars. 4. The largest structure in the universe is a supercluster of galaxies. The Hercules A Corona Borealis Great Wall is over 10 billion light-years across. 5. Neutron stars are insanely dense. A sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. 6. Black holes can evaporate. Through a process called Hawking radiation, black holes slowly lose mass and may eventually disappear over trillions of years. 7. Galaxies can collide. Our Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy and will merge in about 4.5 billion years. 8. Time slows down near massive objects. Gravitational time dilation means that time moves slower near strong gravitational fields, like black holes. 9. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. Even though the universe is 13.8 billion years old, due to expansion, we can observe regions much farther than 13.8 billion light-years away. 10. You are made of stardust. Almost every element in your body was formed inside stars through nuclear fusion. 11. The vacuum of space isn't completely empty. Quantum fluctuations mean that empty space constantly generates tiny particles and antiparticles for brief moments. 12. Some planets may rain diamonds. Uranus and Neptune are thought to have diamond rain deep in their atmospheres due to intense pressure. 13. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to rotate once but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. 14. The hottest planet isn't Mercury, it's Venus. Thick clouds of CO2 trap heat via a runaway greenhouse effect, making Venus hotter than Mercury despite being farther from the Sun. 15. Rogue planets drift alone in space. Billions of planets are thought to wander through the galaxy without orbiting a star. 16. Light from some stars we see is already dead. The farther away a star, the older the light we're seeing, sometimes from stars that no longer exist. 17. Quasars are brighter than entire galaxies. Powered by supermassive black holes, quasars can outshine entire galaxies despite being small in comparison. 18. The coldest known place in the universe is the Boomerang Nebula. With temperatures around -458 degrees Fahrenheit -272 degrees Celsius, it's even colder than the background temperature of the universe. 19. A teaspoon of a black hole's material would weigh billions of tons. Black holes compress mass so tightly that their density defies comprehension. 20. The expansion of the universe is accelerating. Due to dark energy, distant galaxies are not just moving away, they are accelerating away from us. 21. The universe might be infinite. While the observable universe is finite, the entire universe could be infinite in size, stretching beyond what we can ever see. 22. There are more than 2 trillion galaxies. New data suggests that the universe contains around 2 trillion galaxies, far more than previously estimated. 23. Gamma-ray bursts are the most energetic explosions. These brief but powerful explosions can release more energy in 10 seconds than the Sun will in its entire lifetime. 24. White dwarfs can crystallize into giant cosmic diamonds. When they cool down, white dwarfs turn into crystal-like structures made of carbon, essentially huge diamonds. 25. The cosmic microwave background is the afterglow of the Big Bang. This faint radiation is leftover heat from the universe's formation 13.8 billion years ago. 26. Some galaxies have no stars. Dark galaxies are filled mostly with dark matter, making them almost invisible except through gravitational effects. 27. There's a giant cold spot in the universe. The CMB cold spot is a mysterious region of the universe that's colder than surrounding areas, puzzling scientists. 28. The Sun will eventually become a white dwarf. In about 5 billion years, our Sun will shed its outer layers and leave behind a hot, dense white dwarf core. 29. Our galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its center. The Sagittarius A** black hole at the heart of the Milky Way has a mass 4 million times that of the Sun. 30. Sound doesn't travel in space. Because space is a vacuum, sound waves have no medium to travel through, making space completely silent. 31. Galaxies spin around like cosmic whirlpools. Galaxies rotate, and in some cases, their spiral arms move at incredible speeds, hundreds of kilometers per second. 32. The Oort cloud may contain trillions of icy bodies. Surrounding our solar system, the Oort cloud is a distant, spherical shell of icy objects, the source of long-period comets. 33. Supernova explosions can briefly outshine entire galaxies. When massive stars explode, the resulting supernova can be brighter than their home galaxy for weeks. 34. Cosmic inflation expanded the universe faster than light. In the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light, but this didn't violate relativity. 35. The observable universe contains about 10 atoms. That's 100 quinvigintillion atoms, a number hard to visualize. 36. The universe might have parallel versions of you. Some theories suggest that infinite universes could mean infinite versions of you living different lives. 37. The heaviest element made in stars is iron. Fusion inside stars can create elements up to iron. Heavier elements are mostly formed during supernovae. 38. The pillars of creation are 6,500 light-years away. This iconic structure of gas and dust, seen in Hubble images, is part of the Eagle Nebula. 39. Some stars can live for trillions of years. Red dwarf stars burn their fuel so slowly that they may exist for 10 trillion years or more. 40. Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object from Earth. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 is now over 24 billion kilometers away and still transmitting data. 41. Saturn's moon Titan has lakes of liquid methane. Titan is the only other place in the solar system known to have liquid lakes and rivers on its surface, but they're made of methane and ethane. 42. The universe's expansion is accelerating due to dark energy. This mysterious force makes up about 68% of the universe and is pushing galaxies apart faster over time. 43. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. The Sun's diameter is about 109 times that of Earth, making it massive enough to hold around 1 million Earths. 44. Black holes can merge. When two black holes collide, they create gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime, detected by observatories like LIGO. 45. The largest star discovered is UY Scuti. UY Scuti has a radius about 1,700 times that of the Sun. If it replaced our Sun, it would engulf Jupiter's orbit. 46. A light year is a measure of distance, not time. 1 light year equals about 9.46 trillion kilometers, 5.88 trillion miles. 47. The Milky Way is part of the local group of galaxies. This group contains around 54 galaxies, including the Andromeda and Triangulum galaxies. 48. There's a galaxy that looks like a sombrero. The Sombrero Galaxy, M104, is famous for its striking shape, resembling a sombrero hat, with a bright bulge and thick dust lane. 49. Neutrinos pass through you by the trillions every second. These nearly massless particles are produced by the Sun and cosmic events, constantly flying through your body unnoticed. 50. One of Jupiter's moons has active volcanoes. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, with hundreds of volcanoes erupting regularly. 51. Galactic cannibalism is real. Larger galaxies, like the Milky Way, often consume smaller galaxies through gravitational interactions. 52. There may be life in the subsurface oceans of Europa. Jupiter's moon Europa is believed to have a liquid water ocean beneath its icy crust, making it a prime target for future life searches. 53. Some stars form in massive stellar nurseries. Regions like the Orion Nebula are active stellar nurseries where hundreds of new stars are being born. 54. The universe may end in a big freeze. One theory suggests that the universe will keep expanding until all stars burn out, leaving behind cold, dead remnants. 55. You can see ancient light with your naked eye. Some stars you see in the night sky may have emitted their light hundreds or thousands of years ago. 56. Black holes can bend light. Their intense gravity can warp light around them, creating gravitational lensing, magnifying and distorting objects behind them. 57. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons on Mars is about 22 kilometers (13.6 miles) high, nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. 58. A hypernova is more powerful than a supernova. Hypernovae occur when extremely massive stars collapse, releasing unimaginable amounts of energy. 59. Galaxies rotate at speeds that suggest hidden mass. The rotation speeds of galaxies indicate there's more mass than we can see, supporting the existence of dark matter. 60. The universe might be shaped like a flat sheet. Observations suggest that the universe's geometry is flat on large scales, meaning parallel lines stay parallel forever. 61. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a giant storm. It has been raging for at least 350 years and is so large that 3 Earths could fit inside it. 62. The Milky Way is warped. Our galaxy isn't perfectly flat, it has a warped, S-shaped structure due to gravitational interactions with nearby galaxies. 63. The farthest galaxy ever observed is GNZ11. It's located about 13.4 billion light-years away, seen as it was just 400 million years after the Big Bang. 64. The universe has a cosmic web structure. Galaxies are arranged in a vast network of filaments, sheets, and voids, forming a cosmic web across the universe. 65. Pulsars are rapidly spinning neutron stars. They emit beams of radiation from their poles, and some spin hundreds of times per second, like cosmic lighthouses. 66. There's a planet made of burning ice. Gliese 436b is a planet where ice stays solid despite being over 400 degrees Celsius (752 degrees Fahrenheit), due to intense gravity. 67. A teaspoon of neutron star would weigh 1 billion tons. Neutron stars are so dense that a single teaspoon of their material outweighs Mount Everest. 68. Saturn's rings are mostly ice. The rings are made up of billions of particles of ice and rock, ranging from dust-sized to mountain-sized chunks. 69. The Sun will engulf Earth one day. As the Sun becomes a red giant in about 5 billion years, it will likely swallow Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. 70. There might be water on the Moon. Scientists have detected frozen water in permanently shadowed craters at the lunar poles. 71. Black holes can spin. Some black holes rotate at incredible speeds, dragging spacetime around them in a phenomenon called frame dragging. 72. Galaxies can have billions of stars. The Milky Way alone contains over 100 billion stars, and some galaxies contain even more. 73. Most of the universe's elements were created in stars. Elements heavier than helium were forged in the cores of stars and spread across the cosmos by supernova explosions. 74. Some stars are zombie stars. Type Ia supernovae are sometimes caused by white dwarfs stealing material from companion stars until they explode. 75. There are interstellar clouds of alcohol. A giant cloud of ethyl alcohol, about 1,000 times the size of our solar system, has been found in deep space. 76. Black dwarfs will be the final stage of star evolution. Over trillions of years, white dwarfs will cool into black dwarfs, which are currently theoretical because the universe is not old enough for them to exist yet. 77. Some galaxies shoot out jets of matter. Active galactic nuclei, AGN, can emit jets of particles traveling at near light speed for thousands of light years. 78. The most energetic particles are cosmic rays. These are high-energy protons and atomic nuclei that travel through space at nearly the speed of light. 99. There's a massive void in space. The Boötes void, also known as the Great Nothing, is a vast empty space 330 million light-years across with very few galaxies. 80. A planet with glass rain exists. HD 189733b, a blue exoplanet, likely has glass rains that whip sideways through the atmosphere at 7,000 km per hour, 4,300 miles per hour. 81. Venus rotates backwards. Venus spins in the opposite direction to most planets, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east there. 82. Mercury has ice. Despite being the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury has frozen water in permanently shadowed craters at its poles. 83. There are stars larger than the orbit of Saturn. Stephenson 2-18 is one of the largest known stars. If placed at the center of our solar system, it would reach beyond Saturn's orbit. 84. One black hole was found traveling through space. NASA discovered a rogue black hole moving across the galaxy at 160,000 km per hour, 100,000 miles per hour. 85. Earth's magnetic field protects us from solar radiation. Without it, solar wind would strip away the atmosphere and expose life to harmful radiation. 86. Space smells like burnt steak. Astronauts returning from spacewalks report that their suits and equipment smell like seared meat or hot metal, caused by atomic oxygen. 87. Mars has the largest canyon in the solar system. Valles Marineris on Mars is over 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles long and 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles deep. 88. The Sun makes up 99.8% of the solar system's mass. Nearly all of the matter in the solar system is contained in the Sun alone. 89. Our solar system is moving through the galaxy at 828,000 km per hour, 514,000 miles per hour. It takes about 230 million years to complete one orbit around the Milky Way's center. 90. The largest water reservoir is in space. A cloud of water vapor around a quasar holds 140 trillion times the amount of water in Earth's oceans. 91. The universe might have no center. Every point in space is expanding away from every other point, meaning the universe has no fixed center. 92. Neutron stars can spin 700 times per second. The fastest spinning neutron stars, called millisecond pulsars, rotate at mind-bending speeds. 93. The Kuiper Belt contains millions of icy objects. Beyond Neptune, this region is home to dwarf planets like Pluto, Haumea, and Makemake. 94. A year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. Neptune takes 165 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. 95. Most of the elements in your body were formed in stars. Elements like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen were all created in the hearts of ancient stars. 96. Some stars orbit each other. Binary or even triple star systems are common, with stars locked in gravitational dances with one another. 97. Saturn's moon Enceladus has geysers shooting into space. These geysers of water vapor come from a subsurface ocean and contribute material to Saturn's E-ring. 98. The universe could one day collapse in a big crunch. Some theories predict the universe might eventually stop expanding and contract back into a singularity. 99. Time moves slower in stronger gravity. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time runs slower near massive objects like stars and black holes. 100. There may be more universes, multiverse theory. Some scientific theories suggest that our universe could be one of many universes, each with different physical laws.
Thanks for watching this video and connect with us. Please like, share, comments and subscribe to get future notifications and so that we would like to get inspiration to create new content every day.